In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn on or off sleep mode on your Threads app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So when your sleep mode is turned on, it means that all notifications will be muted. However, if sleep mode is turned off, you will be able to receive notifications at any time. So if you haven't been receiving notifications at a certain time, it means that sleep mode was enabled on your Threads app. Now to turn this on and off, go to your Threads app and then go to your account profile once you have logged into your account. So I'll tap on my account profile here and then go to these two lines to access settings. Under settings, scroll down to more settings and then look for this option, time management. Under time management, head down to manage your time, and below it you can see sleep mode. Currently it is turned off, and therefore if I tap on it, we have an option to turn it on. You're told if I turn this on like this, then your notifications will be muted during the time you choose. Now you need to choose the time when this sleep mode will be on. For instance, you can say you want this to start maybe from 11 o'clock and then you want it to end at maybe say 7 o'clock. So I can go to 7 here and choose this. You can also choose the days when you want this to be active. So if you want all of them, then it will be active on the days that you have not selected. As you can see, I've unselected all the others and I'm told sleep mode is on Sunday and Saturday. If you wish to add more days, make sure you select them by enabling them like this. So if you don't select it and leave it, it means all the days will be selected and therefore sleep mode will be active during these hours every day. From here, tap on save and this will turn this on the specific times set. At this point, if you go back, now you can see sleep mode is on and you're told will remind you to close Threads from 11 to 7 a.m. every day. However, if this feature was on and you wish to turn it off, again, come back to this page and open it, then toggle off sleep mode. And just like that, now your sleep mode will be disabled, which means you will not receive reminders and also your notifications will not be muted at any time of the day. So that's how you can turn on or off sleep mode on your Threads app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.